Back in the spring, I was granted a great opportunity to visit the Crown Royal Museum that's located just outside of Troy, Missouri. And while I was there, I learned and saw many new things involving Crown Royal that I myself had never seen before. I do want to take a second to apologize to my subscribers and viewers for the delay and the extra time that it has taken me over the past few months to finally get the time to put this video together. Let's get started and take you on a brief tour inside this remarkable treasure vault of Crown Royal products. Right after we roll that intro. When the average person thinks of visiting a museum, they typically think of those that are located inside the big cities. And those museums are normally something similar to, say, the Smithsonian Institute in Washington, D.C., or some sort of prestigious art gallery. Or maybe it's even a military museum like the USS Wisconsin in Norfolk, Virginia, or even a Western culture museum like the Cowboy Museum and Hall of Fame in Oklahoma City. Well, in this case, we are talking about a small and private museum that you have to endure some gravel roads to get to, because this museum is located out in the country near the town of Troy, Missouri. Now, this museum is an invitation-only museum that Brian and his wife Kerri have established, involving Crown Royal products and paraphernalia in their roughly 1,400 square foot basement. Now, please take note that you will see some additional photos in this video that were taken after my visit. This museum changes weekly as new items arrive and they try to locate a spot that they can display these new items. As you begin down the stairs, you are immediately greeted by a stairwell full of wall hangings. On the right, you have a nice collection of some Western themed products. And I would like to point out that Brian has done a tremendous job throughout the entire museum in grouping his collectibles in order to maintain consistent themes. Now, I'm going to shut up and quit talking and just let you enjoy this tour through the Crown Royal Museum. And I will try to leave some descriptive notes as to what you might be looking at. So please enjoy. Now, there is no possible way of covering this incredible museum in just one 6 to 11 minute video. So, I ask that you please stay tuned to this channel for another video that will be showing you more of the Crown Royal Museum. But in the next video, we're actually going to sit down and talk to Brian and his sweetheart Kerri about how they have built this amazing collection. And also, we will give some credit to the many contributors to this remarkable museum. I would like to say thank you for once again tuning in to this channel. While you're here, please hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and give this particular video a thumbs up as well. So, until the next time, take care, drink responsibly, and we'll see you again real soon.